You have the Vortex V23. It looks like this. Really cool. 3 cameras in the back, or 2 cameras in the flash. And you bought it because it's dual SIM because of work or travel or whatever you do. And then when you go, you've discovered that the back doesn't come off. It is a newer phone with the SIM tray where you need a SIM tool. And so you go to open that up and you discover it's like, what's going on? There's only room for one SIM card and one SD card. And you're looking around the phone to find out, well, where's that second SIM card go? There's not another tray. What they've done is if you need a second SIM card, you have to take out your SD memory card, and then your second SIM card goes right here on this existing SIM tray. 1 and 2. Let me make sure I've got those seated right. And that is how you run your dual SIM in the Vortex V23. Getting your SIM cards lined up correctly. Just like that. And that's how you run 2 SIM chips in the Vortex V23. All right, if this has helped you, how about now? If this has helped you, please like, please subscribe. Thank you for watching.